Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very fine. Myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to share one of the new course from our academy which is completely new. Before we already launched pharmacovigilance course which is dedicated for the individual case safety report, but now we are going to launch the next course which is basic main part of the pharmacovigilance, which is aggregate reporting. What is aggregate reporting? Basically, aggregate reporting is the department who works on the documentation submitted by the ICSR, and that document should be submitted to the Regulatory Authority of India. So basically, the bulk of the documents collected is in the bulk, and like spontaneous reportings are there, right, in the ICSR. But here in the aggregate reporting, the proper documentation has to be done, and there are some guidelines according to which you have to prepare the documents, like PEBRR, PEDR, या PSUR. These kind of the documentation will be there in the aggregate reporting. So this course will completely based on how aggregate reporting work, what is your responsibilities, and kind of the information needed and the skills needed to get job in the aggregate reporting. And as I told you that aggregate reporting is very niche department, and there are a lot of opportunities are there, but comparatively saturation is low. So let's talk about this course. This course will start from when and duration, okay, then how to enroll, everything, okay. So let's get started. First of all, I tell you the schedule. This course will start from the 3 March 2024. I will tell you the schedule of this course. The duration of this course is 3 months, and the classes is on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. The timing is 8 AM to 10 AM morning, and this is the certification course, okay. The course name is 3-month online certification course is aggregate report writing, okay. So this is the schedule of this course, okay. And now we'll talk about the syllabus, but before that I will told you here you will get information about the domain knowledge, about aggregate reporting and skill development. In the skill development we cover interview preparation, resume preparation, then job searching skill, email writing skill, how to apply for a job, how to communicate with HR, presentation skill. We will teach everything the soft skill in this skill development program. And apart from skill development, now we move to the syllabus. Which syllabus you will learn in this course? All pharmacovigilance and its objective, then general structure and working of pharmacovigilance, then importance of aggregate report and risk benefit of product, then aggregate report and its type, then correlation between ICSR, individual case safety report and aggregate report, then understanding on various guidance and regulations in the pharmacovigilance, then preparation and review of various aggregate reports. Various aggregate reports covers PEBRR, means periodic benefit risk evaluation report, where risk analysis is there. Next is PSUR, periodic safety update report. This is the documentation which need to submit to the regulatory authority. Next, PEDR, periodic adverse drug experience report. Next, difference between PSUR and PEBRR. Then next class is on basic terminologies used in the aggregate reporting, and last one is submission of aggregate report. So the benefit of this course, first benefit, this is the niche department. You will get everything from our expert who is having 10+ years of experience in the aggregate reporting itself, okay. Next benefit is first, this is the online course, so you will get online classes, but recording also we will provide if you miss any classes. Next is skill development. The next is placement assistance, means we will help you for the placement as well. We basically build you properly, like a soft skill development information, interview preparation, and we will share your information about your profile with the respective companies as well. Share you the opportunities, vacancies as well. So we will basically support you for the placement. Okay, this is the placement assistance. Next is affordable fees, because this is the dedicated aggregate reporting course, right? Here we will not cover anything other, okay. And the last benefit is certificate. You will get certification after this course completion, okay. So this is all about the benefits. So now I will tell you like how you can enroll for this course. The course fee is 9,999. This is the basic fee, but there is a good news for you. We also provide you offer price which is for early admission. So the course will start from the 3 March 2024, but till 27 February, if you enroll, then the fees will be 8,999, 1,000 off till 27 February 2024. Okay. So take the benefits of this course. We took only 20 seats for this course. And the next, how to enroll. So simple, there is a link given in the description, that is the Resume link. You can pay net banking through and you can get enroll yourself. Otherwise you can pay online to this number also. And after paying the fees, you just have to do one thing. You just have to share your name, email ID, qualification and location to this number on WhatsApp. We will share you the email of confirmation where registration number is given. And next is we will add you also in the WhatsApp group, which is the class group, and all the notification will be only provided through in that group only. Okay, so this is all about this course. So aggregate reporting is one of the important department, because the submission of the documentation to the regulatory authority is equally important. See, there are 4 basic you can say the domains in the pharmacovigilance. First is individual case safety report, then risk management and plan, then signal detection, and here aggregate reporting. So if you are already a pharmacovigilance professional, worked in ICSR, or you are already working in the CDM domain, or like clinical research as well, so want to do career in the aggregate report, then this course will definitely beneficial for you. Even if you are a fresher, you can also enroll, get information about the aggregate report. There are opportunity for the freshers also and experience also in the aggregate reporting. And also the pay scale is really good, okay, compared to the other departments. Here the pay scale of aggregate reporting is good. All the companies which are hiring are top MNC companies. So the work culture is also good, and career opportunities are really like better here in the aggregate reporting also. So if you wish to learn and grow your career in the aggregate reporting, you can enroll for our course. So we will talk about the common questions. The first question might be, will I get the certification after completion of this course? Yes, you will get. So next is, can I watch these courses from mobile? Yes, you can watch, even laptop, mobile you can, because see, this is the theoretical course, not any practical. I mean, there is no any software, okay, as there is no any software as such in the aggregate. You have to work on the Excel only, right? So that is why we are providing here theoretical knowledge. At the same time, we also provide some literature reports as well, how it should be prepared. So accordingly, you will get idea to prepare the reports as well, okay? And next, maybe if I miss any class, can I get recording? Yes, you will get recording if you miss any class, okay? And if any queries, still any doubt, you can call to this number or fill the Google form given in the description. We will call you and assist you accordingly. So hopefully this announcement will definitely help you for career build up in the aggregate reporting. If you like this, all the information and our announcement, like, don't forget to subscribe our channel, which provide the career opportunity, various courses related information and interview tips. And don't forget to share this video to your all the friends and colleagues. That's it from this video. Thank you. Happy learning.